I love cheese, but sometimes I find it a bit too rich, so I come up with this idea, mochi cheese. It's light and stretchy and a great way to use up your leftover mochi from oshogatsu. And the best part is it's dairy-free but still satisfies my cheese cravings. Let's get started. Cut the mochi into cubes. Since mochi is firm, it's easy to cut by pressing the tip of your knife down to the cutting board and using a rocking motion to slice through. And be careful not to cut yourself. Place them in a non-stick frying pan with a half a cup of water and turn the heat to medium-low and let it cook covered for about 5 minutes until the mochi softens and look like this. It doesn't need to be perfectly smooth at this stage. Stir constantly until it turns to smooth paste, and then add the white wine and vinegar and white miso. And here comes the magic. Add turmeric and garlic powder and give it a good stir. It transforms into a cheesy, gooey sauce. Taste it first, and if needed, add just a little amount of salt, but I found the miso adds the just right amount of the saltiness. Now for the vegetables. I have steamed potatoes, daikon, and carrots for 15 minutes. Then I turned off the heat and added the broccoli and let it cook gently with the residual heat for a couple minutes. Now let's put it all together. Transfer the vegetables to a plate and pour the melty, stretchy mochi cheese over them. And look at this, gooey and rich and just like a real cheese. Thanks to a hint of garlic, this sauce has a savory, cheesy depth of umami. And it's completely vegan. And to my surprise, the daikon turns out to be the best. Trust me, please give it a try by yourself. Whenever you're craving something warm, comforting, and good for your health, this is the recipe to go for. It was also delicious with simmered potatoes. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!